Hi friends, this is me Akhlaq. Today I am going to discuss with you past perfect tense part 2. In my previous lecture, I taught you past perfect tense simple sentences. Today I am going to discuss with you past perfect tense where we find two works are completed in past perfect tense, but both the works are not completed together. One work is completed first and second work is completed later. If I give you a sentence, the sentence would be तुम्हारे आने से पहले मैं जा चुका था. Here you find तुम्हारे आने से पहले and मैं जा चुका था. You know that in this sentence two works are completed but both the works are not completed together. Friends, in past perfect tense, if you find this kind of situation, the later part of the sentence would be translated first and the first part would be translated later. As I gave you the sentence, तुम्हारे आने से पहले मैं जा चुका था. One point you should keep in your mind that if you find a sentence in past perfect tense where the connecting word is से पहले, the principal clause means later part of the sentence would be translated in past perfect tense and the first part would be translated in past indefinite tense. So the sentence that is मैं तुम्हारे आने से पहले मैं जा चुका था would be translated in past perfect tense and तुम्हारे आने से would be translated in past indefinite tense. Now I go and translate this sentence into English. The sentence in English would be I had gone before you came. If I go with its negative, the sentence may be I had not gone before you came. If I go with its interrogative helping verb type, the sentence would be had I gone before you came. And if I go with its interrogative question verb type, the sentence would be why had I not gone before you came. Friends, another type of sentence may also be there in past perfect tense. The sentence may be this way, तुम्हारे आने के बाद मैं गया. Here you find के बाद. For this के बाद, we use word after. But this is quite different from the previous sentence. This sentence is तुम्हारे आने के बाद में गया. In this sentence, the later part of the sentence would be translated in past indefinite tense and the first part, earlier part, would be translated into past perfect tense. As I gave you a sentence तुम्हारे आने के बाद में गया, so this sentence in English would be I went after you had come. If I go with its negative, the sentence would be I did not go after you had come. If I go with its interrogative helping verb type, the sentence would be did I go after you had come. And if I go with its interrogative question verb type, the sentence would be why did I not go after you had come. So friends, I have completed part 2 of past perfect tense. That's all for today. Thank you.